question, we have to find the cube root of the following numbers. The first one we have is 1331 by 4096. Now let's start with the solution. The first, so 1331 by 4096. When we factorize 1331, we get 11 into 11 into 11, and when we factorize 4096, we'll get 16 into 16 into, since 11 by 16 is multiplied by itself 3 times, the cube root of 1331 by 4096 will be 11 by 16. The next one we have is minus 2197 by 9261. Continue with the solution. So negative of 2197 by 926. When we factorize 2197, we get 13 into 13 into 13. The negative will come out. And when we factorize 9261, we get 21 into 21 into 21. Since 13 by 21 is multiplied by 3 times by itself, 1, 2 and 3. So the cube root will be 13 by 21 and negative 13 by 21. Next we have is 4096 by minus 2197. So continuing with the solution. 4096 by 2197 negative. So if we factorize 4096, we get 16 into 16 into 16, and when we factorize 2197, we get 13 into 13 into 13, and negative will come out. Since here 16 by 13 is multiplied by itself 3 times, the cube root will be 16 by 13 negative of 16 by 13. Next one we have is minus 3375 by minus 2744. So in this we will write minus 3375 by minus 2744. The minus will cut by minus. Now if we'll find the factor of 3375, we'll get 15 into 15 into 15. And when we factorize 2744, we get 14 into 14 into 14. Since 15 by 14 is multiplied by itself 3 times, the cube root will be 15 by 14. That is it. Thank you.